Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO M5s and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find always on display and lock screen. Let's enter. As you can see in the lock screen settings, we've got the sleep option, so let's enter here. And as you can see, right here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we've got the shorter ones, so 15 and 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got the 1 minute option applied. As you can see, it is marked and highlighted in this bluish color, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.